When we hit 10,000 subscribers on this channel, I'm shaving my head. What up, what up? Hey, look, hope you out there maximizing, having a great day. Today is actually Father's Day. So first and foremost, shout out to all the dads out there. Happy Father's Day to you from the Dash and Trader himself. I hope you're having a good day. Look, no DoorDash video today, no Walmart Spark. Just a little, check-in video, update video. I'm hanging out with the kids today. I'm enjoying Father's Day. Hopefully you get to do the same thing. But if you're not able to and you have to work, make sure you be safe out there and just, do what you got to do. But as far as Trader, I got a lot of things going on this week. Today's Sunday. I actually am kind of upset because I missed church this morning. The kids, he had a slight sniffle, slight cough, so I didn't feel right taking them to church and having them around other children. I just figured, you know what, I'm going to let them chill, sit back today and just get a day of rest, because I'd rather do that than have them around the other kids at children's church and that whole situation. But other than that, I got a big week ahead of me. So I got a lot of things I want to get done this week. On Monday, I have a couple meetings that I need to attend. And after those meetings, I plan on hopefully getting some gig work done. Maybe a little bit of DoorDash. Haven't really decided yet. Tuesday, I want to be able to do gig work all day. I'm planning on doing like a 12-hour DoorDash. Earn by time. That would be earn by time day number 3. I'm planning on doing that on Tuesday. So make sure you stay tuned for that video because it's going to be a great one. And then Wednesday and Thursday, I have slated for getting all my equipment and everything set up to start live streaming my trading on my second channel. So if you didn't know, I got two channels. This channel, Dash and Trader, and my other channel, Blackleg Jones, where I kind of, just delve into a couple different topics and other things that interest me besides gig content. And one of those things, if you didn't know, is trading stocks, because I am the Dash and Trader. So I'm a dasher and a trader, but I should have been named Trading Dasher because I'm a trader at heart. I'm a stock trader. So we're going to get into that. Wednesday and Thursday, I'm getting everything squared away to get all those things. And I'm really getting into the habit of setting my goals and saying them out loud, because if I start my week off saying my goals out loud, I can really begin to implement them throughout the week more efficiently and really take active steps to step away from the gig economy. Because even though I still make mostly that pay the bills with the gig economy, I'm slowly getting to a point where I can ease less and less away from relying on those for my weekly income. I'm still living week to week, don't get me wrong. Trader is not out here making that YouTube. And let me know in the comments below if you want to see that video coming up soon, how much I make off my YouTube channel, because I would gladly share that information with you guys if you want me to. I have no problem doing that, but I will tell you this. If there's any potential content creators out there and you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, do it. Because it's definitely lucrative and it's definitely profitable. Mickey Mouse watch, because I'm making a little bit of AdSense off of YouTube. So that's what it's all about. Upload them videos, hit record on your cell phone, just like I'm doing right here. Grab you some equipment. You ain't got to go all fancy like Trader, but just make it do what it do. It's definitely worth it. If you want to see that, how much Trader makes on YouTube video, you let me know in the comments below. But other than that, Wednesday and Thursday, I'm going to be focusing on getting my day trading content and equipment all the way together. Then on Friday, I'm going ham. I'm trying to do another long shift, not quite a 12-hour shift, but maybe like an 8 or 10-hour shift, doing DoorDash again. And hopefully, because I'm at a 35%, if I go hard on Tuesday, then I go hard on Friday, I should be well over 50% and be in a good spot to really test out if you getting high paying orders again after you over that 50% threshold in my market. I know in some people market, they say, hey, it don't matter what I'm at. They say they can be at 1%, 10%, 15%, they still see good orders, but not for me in my area. And I don't got large of the program, and I don't even think they verified my pizza bag yet, so that may be holding me up also. But all in all, it doesn't matter. I'm doing this for research for when the DoorDash reward pilot program hits nationwide. I can get some good results and really test them out. Maybe I can get me some of them diamond orders, or them what they call them platinum orders, or some of them gold orders, because I do have that one screenshot. And as you can see in that screenshot, it ain't nothing but a regular 3-to-1 mile to money ratio order, $14 for 5 miles. But those are the parameters that they're going to be setting on the different types of orders when it comes to this program. So I want to test it out and see if it makes a difference and see how many people get deactivated after they come out with this new program. And speaking of deactivations, I want to see what's going on in New York and in California, because I have a strong suspicion they're going to be rolling those programs out to those markets before they bring them to any other market, honestly, because why wouldn't they? I would already bring them to the markets where the Dashers are pretty much going to be accepting every order anyways, because they getting a guaranteed amount. That's what I would be doing already. We gonna see. That's yet to be seen. But let me know in the comments below how your week is going, what you got planned, what goals are you gonna be setting for yourself, what are you gonna be doing to maximize in the gig economy, and are you taking steps to actively get yourself up out of the gig economy? As always, I'm your boy, the Dashing Trader, and I'll catch you in the next one. But, before we do, I got a very, very special announcement. I'm going to do a challenge, okay? I was talking with my gal, and I was like, what should I do? I want to do something special for 10,000 subscribers. You know, I want to do something that's really worthy of me gaining my 10,000 subscribers and celebrating it and giving something to my subscribers that's worth it. So I think I thought of something good. When we hit 10,000 subscribers on this channel, I'm shaving my head. I'm shaving my whole head. Hair, mustache, beard, everything is going. I'm shaving my nose. I'm shaving my ear. I'm not shaving my eyebrows. I'm not shaving my eyebrows. I'm gonna let that be known right now. Okay? I'm stopping it right there. I will shave everything on my head but my eyebrows. And I will do that just for y'all right here on the Dashing Trader channel. And I hope my hair grow back super fast. Let's go. I'll catch you in the next one.